How to fix Ping My Watch is disabled in the control center on your iPhone. Now, the Ping My Watch feature in the control center of your iPhone allows you to locate your Apple Watch by making it emit a sound. If this feature is disabled, it could be due to a few reasons. Now, the first thing is the Bluetooth connectivity. So you want to ensure Bluetooth is enabled. So go into settings, and in settings go to Bluetooth and make sure you turn on Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is disabled, then that may cause an issue. So make sure Bluetooth is turned on in both your iPhone and Apple Watch. And check the Bluetooth range. Ensure your Apple Watch is within a Bluetooth range of your iPhone. Another thing that you may want to do is restart the devices. So restart your iPhone. So you want to press on the restart button here and then swipe off and then turn it back on to restart your iPhone. Give that a try and see how you go. Now, another thing is your Apple Watch software may be out of date or it's too old. The software is too old and you need to update it. So you can go to your Watch app, and in the Watch app, you can go down and check the version of your Apple Watch. So here we tap on General and then tap on Software Update. And here we'll be able to download. So if there is a download button, tap on the download button to download the latest Watch OS. In here, it will download Watch OS 11.1 on my device. This will allow me to install the latest software update on my Apple Watch. So give that a try, install the latest software update, because this feature may be new, and if your Apple Watch does not update, it may not have that feature on the Apple Watch. So try to perform an update on your Apple Watch. Now, another thing is if your Apple Watch battery is low, the Ping My Watch feature might be disabled to conserve battery. So make sure they have sufficient battery power for this feature to work. And one more thing is the notifications. You want to check the notifications settings on the Apple Watch and ensure that notifications for the Find My app are enabled on your Apple Watch. And that's it. Give those steps a try and see how you go. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.